We'll guide you through how to hide apps on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as you may not want others to go and know this app's on your phone, so what we can do is go and hide it. I'll actually show you two different ways you can go about this, so you can go and decide what's going to be your preferred way. So there's different reasons why I may want to do this as well, it doesn't matter. So watch this full guide and let's get right into this. So first of all, you can actually go and hide and remove an app from the home screen like so. So what you can do is go and find the app you want to do it with. I'm able to do a family link, for example. I can tap and hold it, then release when you see these options. And what you can do is go and press remove. This is going to hide it from the home screen. It'll no longer be here. But if you go and swipe up, you'll still be able to go and find it on the app pages here. So if you want to go and completely hide it, even from the app pages, then what you need to do is on the home screen, go and tap and hold your finger in some blank space like so. You go and get this pop up. Then what you want to do is go to the bottom right and you can press settings. In here, you want to go down and find the option, hide apps on home and app screens. Then what you want to do is go and find it in this list here. So scroll down and you can find it, family link. I'll then go and press done. Then that's going to be hidden. So if I go and drag up, you go and see, you won't be able to go and find it here. Even if you go and search for it, it's going to be hidden. And to go and unhide it, you can go back to where we were and unselect it. It's that simple.